Dear brothers and sisters, today I wish to share with you 3 profound insights from our beloved Murli, which, if we choose to experiment with today, can significantly transform our lives and our experience of the world. First and foremost, remember your true home, the land of peace. The Murli reminds us that we are not of this world. Our true home is the land of peace, the incorporeal world, where we dwell in complete purity, peace, and happiness. In our daily lives, we often get entangled in the noise and chaos of the material world. We chase after temporary pleasures, and in doing so, we forget the eternal peace that resides within us. Today, I encourage you to take a moment to reconnect with this inner peace. Just as we naturally long for home after a long day, let us consciously bring our awareness back to this spiritual home. By doing so, we anchor ourselves in a place of inner calm, which allows us to navigate the challenges of life with grace and ease. Secondly, let us embrace the knowledge that we are Brahmins, the top-knot, being taught directly by God Himself. The Murli emphasizes the immense fortune we have as students of the incorporeal Father. Unlike the rest of the world, where humans teach humans, we are receiving divine knowledge directly from God. This awareness should fill us with immense gratitude and responsibility. Today, let us experiment with living from this place of elevated consciousness. Imagine every action you take today being guided by divine wisdom. How would you speak, act, and think differently knowing that you are being personally tutored by the highest on high? This shift in perspective can bring about a profound change in how we interact with others and how we approach our duties. Lastly, transform storms into gifts with zeal and enthusiasm. The blessing given in today's Murli is powerful. Those who maintain imperishable zeal and enthusiasm can transform even the most challenging storms into gifts. Life will always present us with tests and obstacles, but it is our attitude that determines whether these challenges will defeat us or elevate us. Today, let us experiment with viewing our difficulties not as burdens, but as opportunities for growth. When faced with a challenge today, instead of becoming disheartened, try to find the hidden gift within the situation. By doing so, we shift our energy from one of resistance to one of acceptance and joy. This transformation in perspective allows us to remain stable and even joyful in the face of adversity. In conclusion, I encourage you to take these 3 points and apply them today. First, reconnect with your true home, the land of peace. Second, live with the awareness that you are a Brahmin, the top-knot, being taught by God Himself. And third, face life's storms with zeal and enthusiasm, transforming them into gifts. These practices are not just spiritual ideals, they are practical tools that can bring about real change in our lives. Let us carry these teachings in our hearts and see how they uplift our day. Remember, the Murli is not just a scripture to be read, it is a living guide to be practiced. May today be a day of deep peace, divine awareness, and joyful transformation for each of you.